Hello friends, welcome back to another Discovery at Home video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a wax paper monoprint. So all you need for this project is a sheet of wax paper, a piece of paper, a cotton swab, or you can use like a comb, a paintbrush, or even your finger to add more textures, and of course a paintbrush, and a couple paints. Okay, so the first step that you'll want to do is get your paintbrush and begin painting your wax paper. You kind of want to do this pretty fast, just so it doesn't dry too quick. So you can add your textures and your design that you want to add. So just like this. Then you can either use your finger or any other textures that you want to use. I'm going to use a cotton swab for mine. You can just add your designs or symbols you want to add. I'm going to do heart, circle, a square, triangle. That's pretty good. Then I'm going to take my piece of paper and I'm just going to lay it right on top of this and press down. Just kind of pressing, not really wiping, just pressing like this. Okay, and then you'll want to peel it off. And that is how you do the monoprinting. And monoprinting is only one-time print in printmaking. So you're only going to get this design once because you can only draw on this one time in the paint. It's not a set design, so. Thank you all so much for watching. Check out more fun videos at kansasdiscovery.org/home. I'll see you guys later. Bye!
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, Evergy.
Thank you to Evergy for making Discovery at Home possible.